When most people think of New York, they picture skyscrapers, yellow taxis, and the endless rush of city life. But beyond the skyline lies a completely different world, where rolling hills, golden forests, and peaceful lakes stretch as far as the eye can see. From charming small towns to breathtaking mountain valleys, upstate New York is where nature quietly shows its greatest colors. So today, let's take to the skies and explore the true heart of New York State, beyond the city that never sleeps. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. I'd love to know how far this view is reaching. One, Lake Placid. Hidden deep within the Adirondack Mountains, Lake Placid is a picture-perfect town surrounded by crystal-clear water and snowy peaks. It's famous for hosting the Winter Olympics twice and remains a paradise for outdoor lovers. In autumn, the trees around Mirror Lake turn every shade of red and gold, a view that looks like a painting come to life. Two, the Catskill Mountains. Just a few hours north of New York City, the Catskills are where the wild spirit of the state truly begins. They're known for hiking trails, waterfalls, and small mountain towns that glow with color every fall. From the air, the endless forest canopy looks like a fiery sea of orange and amber. Three, Ithaca, home to Cornell University, is famous for its dramatic gorges and over 150 waterfalls in and around the town. The mix of student energy, historic streets, and natural beauty gives it a unique, youthful charm. In autumn, the hills surrounding Cayuga Lake become a stunning blend of scarlet and gold. Four, Hudson. The town of Hudson sits along the Hudson River and has become a haven for artists, antique lovers, and creative souls. Its restored 19th century buildings and cozy cafes make it one of the most stylish small towns in the Northeast. Aerial shots reveal how this riverside community blends art, architecture, and nature in perfect balance. Have you ever taken a fall road trip in upstate New York? If yes, which town stole your heart? Tell me in the comments. 5. Lake George. Lake George is often called the Queen of American Lakes. Its clear blue water winds between green mountains, creating postcard views from every direction. In fall, boats glide across a lake framed by trees glowing in orange and crimson, one of the most peaceful scenes in the Adirondacks. Six, Cooperstown. Best known as the home of the National Baseball Hall of Fame, Cooperstown is much more than a sports landmark. It sits beside Otsego Lake, where reflections of autumn trees ripple across calm water. The town's timeless streets and old inns feel like a step back into classic Americana. Seven, Letchworth State Park. Often called the Grand Canyon of the East, Letchworth State Park is one of New York's most dramatic natural sights. It features deep gorges carved by the Genesee River and powerful waterfalls dropping hundreds of feet. In fall, the entire park explodes with color, a favorite stop for drone photographers and travelers alike. Eight, Saratoga Springs. Saratoga Springs is famous for its historic horse racing track and natural mineral springs. The town mixes elegance with relaxation, from old Victorian homes to peaceful parks filled with autumn leaves. Every year people come not just for races, but for the charm that fills its streets during the changing seasons. Would you rather spend a weekend at a cozy mountain lodge or a lakeside cabin? Drop your choice in the comments. I'm curious which one wins. Nine, Watkins Glen. Watkins Glen sits on the southern tip of Seneca Lake and is best known for its spectacular state park. There, a trail winds past 19 waterfalls, each framed by stone walls and colorful leaves. From above, the gorge looks like a magical canyon, carved straight into the heart of New York. 10. Finger Lakes. The Finger Lakes region is a chain of long, narrow lakes surrounded by vineyards and rolling hills. It's one of America's top wine destinations, especially beautiful in autumn when vineyards turn gold and orange. Aerial views show patterns of lakes and valleys glowing under the soft light of sunset, truly unforgettable. 11. Tupper Lake. Tupper Lake is a quiet treasure in the Adirondacks, known for its clear night skies and the wild center, an open-air museum where visitors walk above the treetops. In fall, the landscape glows with copper and scarlet hues, reflected perfectly in the calm water below. 12. Chautauqua Lake. Located in western New York, Chautauqua Lake is a peaceful retreat surrounded by charming villages and wooded hills. It's known for the Chautauqua Institution, a historic cultural community that celebrates art, music, and education. From above, the lake's mirrored surface captures every tone of the surrounding autumn forest. Upstate New York is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, a place where small towns tell big stories, and where every mountain, river, and forest reflects the rhythm of nature's seasons. It reminds us that beauty doesn't always live in the noise of cities, but in the quiet corners of the world, waiting to be seen. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more breathtaking aerial views and travel stories from around the world. And let me know in the comments, which place in New York would you love to see from above next?